guys, here's stuff for the ladies. Scrunchies. How you doing? Hey, how's it going, boss? And for my drinkers, they got you settled. They got everything here for you. Got ice cream.
Hello,
How you doing?
How are you?
Doing great, thank you. Get some beautiful jewelry, guys.
Now this is Emotional Evolution.
Oh.
There's eccentric and bohemian couture, and nothing gets duplicated. Everything is a statement work of art.
Oh, nice.
Yes. So when you buy or invest in something here, nobody else will have something like that.
I love it.
Yeah.
So you hear this, guys? This is one of a kind.
Yeah, everything is unique and one of a kind.
Let me show you the earrings.
Oh, and the ear cuffs. I'm very chuffed with the ear cuffs.
Oh, that's
yes,
cool.
Yeah, thank you. They look like this.
Oh, okay.
Like that.
So this is what the ear cuffs look like?
There we go. And then this is my latest range. I call it the Ancients.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
And what makes you call it that? What makes you
It
name
just came up to me. Everything is authentic, so nothing is
love it.
premeditated. I just go with the flow.
Love it.
Basically, yeah. All of my bracelets, and this is quite nice for the ladies. You put it around your toe, and this goes around your ankle, and it's all sexy and goddessy.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so you have to purchase one for your ladies. I usually tell the guys when they buy something like this for their ladies, then the lady will promise them a little dance afterwards. Nee?
All right, so you hear that, ladies? If you get in
so buy yourself a palm cup and do your hubby a dance.
So no excuses when someone's telling you to dance.
Oh, wow.
So cool.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
Oh, that's really cool. Awesome.
Yeah, those are parrot feathers. This is my Urban Goddess range.
Oh, nice.
You'll see Jackie is wearing one of the sets as well.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So they go with everything and every event as well.
Nice.
So yeah. And all ages and walks of life, anybody can wear Emotional Evolution. Yeah, it's not only for the younger ladies. I have all ages and styles coming to purchase Emotional Evolution.
Oh, I love it, and I love the name.
You. Yeah, Emotional Evolution.
Hey, buddy. Make sure you can see it, guys. And do you have a social media? Any social media outlets?
At the moment, I'm Jacqueline Pretorius on Facebook, and my Instagram is under construction. I'm busy with the web page and all of that.
Okay.
Yeah, I've only started in September last year.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, I was a dental nurse for like 23 years of my life.
And now it looks like you're having fun.
Yeah, and now I'm doing what I like. So yeah, it's really going fantastic. I'm very humbled and grateful. Thank you very much. Yeah, this is me burying my soul on a table. Basically.
Love it.
Thank you.
All right, guys. So I'm going to end the recording here, and I'll be back.